everyone, today we are situated in Dunvant. We're in a beautifully positioned cul-de-sac called Aran, and behind me I have a 2-bedroom detached property waiting for you to come and see it. Follow me inside and take a look for yourself. That was our property in Aran in Dunvant. You've seen the property, you've seen the garden, you've also taken a sneak peek at the office to the rear as well. If this property is something of interest to yourself or somebody that you know, please get in touch with me. My number's on the screen, or contact our office to register. I'd be delighted to see you at our open day, which is now available. So give us a call and I will see you soon.